This dog could smell lies. In a city like Zootopia, there was a dog named Shadow. Not fast, not strong, but he had a strange power. He could smell lies. Whenever someone lied, he growled, low, warning. At first, no one believed him, just a noisy dog. Until one day, a shop owner shouted, "Thief! Someone stole my money!" Crowd gathered. A fox pointed at a rabbit. "It was him!" The rabbit panicked. "No, I didn't!" Shadow stepped forward, sniffed, then growled at the fox. Everyone froze. "Why him?" The fox laughed. "Crazy dog." But Shadow didn't stop, growling louder, closer. The fox stepped back, sweating. "Fine, I took it," crowd gasped. He was right. From that day, Shadow became famous. Lie detector, trusted, respected. But one day, a small puppy asked, "Can you smell your own lies?" Shadow froze. Silence. Then slowly, he looked away. Sometimes, the truth is hardest when it's about yourself.